How to fix video keeps pausing on YouTube. Let's get started. First thing first, you have to check whether you are using the stable internet connection or not. Once you have the stable Wi-Fi, the next thing you want to do is head over to App Store. In the search bar, search for YouTube. And then move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then you are not using the latest version of the app. In this case, simply tap on update and update your app. Once you have got the updated version, move into settings and head over to general. Inside general, head over to iPhone storage. Here in the search bar, search for YouTube and then move into it. Click on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on YouTube and then you'll be good to go. That's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.